Last but not least, Smirnoff Ice, red, white, and berry right over the top.
Welcome to the Art of Mixology.
This is the art of mixology. Sip the craft, taste the alchemy. Flavors twist like poetry. Welcome to the show with LVB and Johnny V.
What's going on out there, guys? Welcome back to the Art
Of Mixology.
I'm your host, LVB.
And I'm Johnny Vegas.
Johnny Vegas, episode 11. We're moving right along. What do you think, Johnny?
Number
11
11?
episodes in the book.
There's nothing wrong with 11. You just got to keep rolling.
Johnny, let me ask you a quick question. If you ever get 11 on the blackjack table, tell the people what to do.
Well, that's automatic. That's a double down.
Is that a double?
That's a double.
What do they have to be showing? It doesn't matter.
They got to
what
be showing 2 through 6.
And then you're doubling.
And I'm doubling.
I'm doubling no matter what card they have, honestly, me. Because I'm a gambler. I like to, a little bit of living on the edge once in a while.
Right.
You know, Johnny, you going to double or not? What are you going to do?
Well, I take that back. 10, I would double 2 through 6. 11, most of the time, anything but an ace, I double.
Okay, well, anyway, it sounds good that we're going to double. We got the 11, episode 11 today, guys. You guys in for another treat. Johnny, tell them what we're making today.
We are making some of the best margaritas.
Margaritas, which is the most ordered cocktail in the world, hands down. The most ordered, Johnny. Do you like margaritas?
Oh, I have to confess, I'm only a fan of a couple of margaritas, and I think they're frozen.
So Johnny's
The
more
kinds I enjoy.
So you're more of a frozen than on the rocks.
I'm more of a frozen.
Well, today you guys are not getting frozen, but you will be getting recipes for margaritas on the rocks. Okay, Johnny, what time is it?
It's time to give it to the people.
Johnny, the first cocktail we're giving them today is the classic margarita. Johnny, tell them what's in a margarita, please.
We have tequila,
Yes, sir.
triple sec, and fresh squeezed lime juice.
First thing I'm gonna do is add 2 ounces of tequila, okay? Just like that. Next thing, we're gonna go ½ ounce of triple sec. Next thing after that, this is very simple, very easy and fast cocktail to make. 1 ounce of lime juice. You're just gonna pour it up. Just give it a little shake real quick. That's it. You're gonna pour it right back in. Johnny, there you go right there. That is a fresh, classic margarita.
And just to show you how ill-informed I am, I only thought there was 2 kinds of margarita, the 2 frozen kind.
Really? Yeah. Well,
I never knew there was margaritas on the rocks.
Really? I don't know where you've been living, Johnny, but margaritas on the rocks been around forever. Next thing you want to do, guys, is you want to garnish with a lime. This is the best way to make a classic margarita on the rocks. Next.
Okay, for our second margarita, we are going to make the Johnny Vegas margarita.
Go ahead, Johnny Vegas. Pour it up. What are you pouring up? You got to tell them.
I am pouring tequila,
Give them a little more. Perfect.
fresh squeezed lime juice,
Ooh. About an ounce, Johnny. Keep going. Perfect. Johnny's going to drop that agave nectar on there next, huh?
and a little agave nectar.
Pour it up, please. Squeeze that thing. Don't be shy. Good job. Johnny, what makes the Johnny Vegas margarita different from the classic margarita?
I don't have any triple sec in my margarita.
Okay, sounds good.
Now we'll give it a little shake.
that form. Wow, you've been practicing, huh? This guy likes to shake his Ritas, huh?
Lime.
Woo!
And there you go, folks. A Johnny Vegas margarita.
Check this out, guys. The Johnny Vegas margarita. Johnny, what do you think?
I think it's a beauty.
Next!
So what are we having next?
Johnny, we're making a spicy Las Vegas margarita. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pour up your tequila. Give them about 2 ounces of your tequila.
You have to feel you.
Oh, Johnny, trust me, they're gonna feel it. Give a little ounce fresh squeezed lime juice. Next, I'm going ½ ounce of T-Sec. That's that orange liqueur.
Yep.
Give them a little ½ ounce of that agave nectar. Whew.
Little nectar.
After that, we're gonna spice it up right now. We're gonna get that El Fuego sauce. Ooh. Spicy jalapeno fuego. I like to drop a little bit of tahini in mine. Just shake it up. You want spicy? Check that out.
Well, El Fuego sounds like the fire.
Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, this drink right here I just made is fire. Garnish with a lime. Spicy Las Vegas margarita.
I can smell the spice from here.
Whew, that thing smells amazing. I got one word for you guys. Next. On to the next cocktail, Johnny. We're going to make them a mango margarita. Please proceed right now.
Okay, mango.
Give them a nice healthy pour.
Mango
that
margarita.
Tequila. You're a good pour. Wow, they're going to be turned up after that. This guy poured almost half my bottle out.
A little triple sec.
Wow, they're going to love you. You're almost full.
Now
This
some
guy-
fresh squeezed lime juice.
This guy's going to get fired by his boss. They're going to fire you for over pouring. Wow.
And now I'm going to add a little mango puree.
I can't believe how strong you made that. Squeeze it, Johnny. I can't believe you poured almost... You put that much liquor in that margarita? Wow.
Garnish with a lime.
Wow.
And the reason why I went a little heavy, because when I make the mango, I want a tango.
Wow. This guy said mango tango. Guys, check this out. The mango margarita. I cannot wait to try this one, Johnny. This might be the one of the day right here. Next.
Okay, let's take a count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 margaritas.
Here comes number 5, guys. Take your tequila. I need 2-ounce pour. 2-ounce pour of your tequila. I'm starting to look like your pours now, Johnny. A little bit of triple sec. After that, you know we got to come with the lime juice. 1 ounce. After that, we have that strawberry puree.
Wow. Little strawberry puree will make your day.
It's time to shake, rattle, and roll her drawers tonight for you, Johnny, huh? These are good. These are good frozen, too. Check that out. Check out the color. Check it out. Check out the pour.
Wow. We don't waste a drop.
Why not? That's for amateurs, guys. You're gonna garnish your margarita with a lime.
Seems to always be on time.
I have a sip, but I can't because we are working right now, guys. Check this out. This is the best way to make a strawberry margarita. You're welcome. Next.
Next is a pineapple margarita. 2 ounces of tequila.
Pour that up. Pour it up. Okay. Getting a little better. You
Next,
didn't overpour that time.
½ ounce of triple sec.
Good. Okay, getting a little better. We got to get this guy a pour test.
Next, fresh squeezed lime juice.
I'm up. 1 ounce. Good. After that, what are you coming behind that one?
After that,
That's the fresh.
right out of the old pineapple tree, some fresh pineapple juice. Give it a shake.
Let me teach you a trick. When it's like that, there you go.
You learn something
Just
new
learn
every day.
something new. Pour it up, please.
Garnish, lime. There you have it, a pineapple margarita.
Check out this pineapple margarita. It's the only way and the best way to make and enjoy a pineapple margarita. Good job, Johnny. Next. Okay, guys, next drink we're making is a watermelon margarita, Johnny. First thing, 2 ounces of tequila.
Watermelon.
I'm starting to overpour like you. ½ ounce, triple sec. 1 ounce lime juice. After that, Johnny, you're gonna finish this off with some fresh watermelon juice. Check that out.
Look at that.
Little shake. Check that out, guys. Watch the pour. It's gonna be perfect. Look at that. Perfect every time.
Another perfect pour.
It's the perfect pour game, okay, guys? Garnish with a lime. Check this out right here, guys. The only way to enjoy a watermelon margarita, you won't be disappointed. Next. Johnny, how many margaritas do we have over here?
Let me take a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 margaritas. Not bad, not bad. We got a couple more, you guys. Stick with us. We got a couple more coming for you. Next one we're going to make, Johnny, is the blood orange margarita, okay?
Blood
Same
orange.
thing. You guys, 2 ounces. Every time, 2 ounce pour. Little bit of triple sec, half ounce. I don't know these pours, but these pours are getting heavier.
Your pour is getting heavy. Never
1
mind
ounce.
mine.
I've been hanging 1 ounce of lime juice. I've been hanging out with you too long today.
You got a heavy hand today.
Okay, guys, blood orange. Check that out. That's that blood orange right there.
You know they have a blood orange moon, full moon?
I've heard of it, but I don't think I've ever seen it.
I've seen all of them.
Check out that color. That looks like a blood orange. That looks like a full moon right there.
They are. They're full moon.
Look at that.
Looks like that full moon, the same coloration.
See that pour again?
Wow, look at that. No spillage.
That's a perfect pour every time.
Perfect pour.
Okay, guys, once again, you're going to garnish with a lime. Check this thing out, the blood orange margarita, man. I want to sip this thing right now. The only way to make it and the best way. From the Art of Mixology. Oh, wow, we're doing it, Johnny. Next!
Next up, people, we have the coconut margarita.
Ooh, I wanna
2
see
ounces
this
of
one.
tequila.
Pour that up. Johnny ran through the first bottle. We had to get another one. Perfect. There you go. Now your pour is on point.
Now we have a half ounce of triple sec.
Beautiful. Okay, Johnny.
Fresh squeezed lime juice.
How much? About an ounce, tell him.
About an ounce, but I can do it by a cream of coconut.
Wow. Cream of coconut. Take me to the tropical place. Guys, becoming a professional bartender out here.
A garnish of lime.
Check out the coconut margarita. Can I have a sip? We're working, okay.
No drinking on the
The only
job.
way to make a coconut margarita, Johnny Vegas just showed you, Johnny. Well done. This is going on the list right here. Coconut margarita. Next. Johnny, how many margaritas have we made?
Let me give them a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 margaritas.
9 margaritas. We might as well make 10, Johnny. First thing we're going to do, we're going to make a blue margarita.
Ooh.
2 ounces of your tequila. There we go. Next up, blue curacao.
Ooh, look at that.
1 ounce.
That's blue through and through.
We had to go blue on one of them, Johnny. Finish that off with fresh squeezed lime. Johnny, you ever soft shake? I'm going to soft shake this one.
That's a nice soft. Oh, yeah, you can soft shake.
We gave you a soft shake. Look at the color. Check the color out. Pour it up. Right to the last drop.
Wow. Look at the blue in that.
Take me to the island somewhere.
Wow.
Garnish with a lime. Check this one out, guys. The blue margarita. There's nothing more refreshing than a blue margarita on a hot, sunny day on a beach somewhere. And we just taught you how to make it. The only way to make it. A blue margarita. Give me this now. Next. Johnny, since it's the holidays, you think we should give them a bonus margarita?
I say, give the people a bonus.
Let's give you guys a bonus. We're going to make a Grinch margarita. First thing you want to do, we're going 3 ounces of tequila. Yes, 3 ounces.
Wow, look at that.
Woo. After that, guys, 1 ounce of triple sec.
The old Grinch is a big one.
Ready to turn green, Johnny? Melon liqueur.
Turn it green.
We're going to give you guys
The green machine.
a little 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces of that melon liqueur. After that, you know we need the fresh lime juice. About 1.5 ounces. We have a big glass, so we gotta step up the ingredients. We gotta give you a little extra on these things. Fresh pineapple juice. Last but not least, Smirnoff Ice, red, white, and berry right over the top. Johnny, check this out. We have a whole bunch of margaritas, Johnny. How many did we make total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 margaritas.
You guys got 11 margaritas in one video. Which one do you guys like the best? Make sure you guys comment down below. Which one of these 11 margaritas would you like to drink right now? Johnny, which one would you drink?
Well, I am partial to the blue, green, but I'm going with the coconut margarita.
You made that coconut margarita.
Just
Outstanding job.
That's calling me for some reason.
I'm gonna have to go big. I'm going the Grinch margarita. This is me right here. Episode 11 in the books. We made them a total of 11 margaritas, guys. You can only get that here on the Art of Mixology, Johnny. My work is done, Johnny. I need you to take them home, and you know what to do.
Okay, people, once again, today, 11 margaritas. We threw in the gift, the Grinch margarita. And like we always say, be safe, be happy. And from the Art of Mixology, I'm Johnny Vegas, and we will see you on episode number 12.